play a few windy tunes, can't we? Like Wind That Shakes the Barley,
Wind That Shakes
East
the
Wind,
Barley.
you know,
It's a rainy,
quite a few other, you
it's
know.
a rainy day, real. But maybe with that
Singing
not,
in the rain.
singing in the rain.
Yeah, yeah.
Would that not favour all them? No, I don't think so.
Wind in the Barley, you know.
Too bad, then I was hit by a really strong gust. Lean into it. Progress.
Oh yeah, tripping up the stairs. Oh, that's one. Yeah, tripping up the stairs in the key of David. For those of you looking in from near and far, we may have people here tonight from looking in from New Zealand,
Yes, we do.
New Hampshire, New Brighton, even New Cross. Lovely, but wherever you're looking in from, near or far, you're very welcome. And thank you. A couple of jigs. First one, tripping up the stairs, the jig in the key of David, and then the Blackthorn stick in the key of Tree. And then maybe we'll have in this covered mounted A minor on the end there. Three jigs. So yeah, tripping up the stairs, Blackthorn stick, and Miss Covered Mountain. Lovely, after four. David first, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Robert Cornwall joins Connor's here, Ryan's here. Have no fear, Connor's here. Next. David is here. Bon appetit. Sorry. That was a normal thing. That wasn't a normal thing. Yes, just think now. Oh yes, I know what I know. Because there's only my MD is here. Michael, you know I call you my MD, my musical director, but you're my MS, my Michael Sweeney. That's similar to an MD, but it's close. So anyway, what I think I'll do is I'll ask my good friend Connor. Connor might think of a tune because there's only a few of us left.
Kieran's coming.
Oh, Kieran's coming. Okay, let's just think. Pipes or reels, something.
Is that on a whole pipe?
No, that's a reel, but it's often played quite slowly. Is it the one called, it's called, yeah. What do you call it? Is it called Bows? The Grey Northern. I think it's the one, you know, I think it's the one. Is it that one? It's the one somebody called John Bowes, my great friend from the Saturated Band, or Francie Branson, who was a great choreographer, I think from County Tipperary. He may have composed that, I'm not certain of that. But I can try it. I haven't played it before. It's in the key of C sharp. Can you play something with it? Would you go to the Harvey Solo Harp? I think this is like a slow reel, and then it goes to that one.
Oh yeah.
Michael knows he can join us, and then you get 3 points.
You have to pay for the low emission zone anyway.
It's a lovely trip colour. So that's a room. And I think either called Francis Rains or John Bowes' favourite. And you have another name for it. The Great Northern. Well, that was a lovely tune. That was like starting off with an A-level. That's
You
really
got
easy
some
tune.
great tunes, I have to say. I'm very impressed.
From Karen Ryan.
It's Joe McCann.
Joe McCann. I had a word with him later. Lovely tune. Well done, Joe. Good luck in there. So now, Michael might think of maybe you could do some hornpipes. Trying to calm down. Letters just come flooding in. I'm not going to do that joke again, am I? This is unbelievable. No, I'm not going to. Yes, I am. No, will you? Do I want to? Oh, yeah. So, shall I read this now?
Yeah, I will do when it comes to
Also, this is a request, please, for Annette Keen's birthday today. A request for Annette Keen's birthday. Lovely. Watching from Clonakilty. We love it, and we love those white sausages and that lovely white pudding and black pudding. And my good friends who are down there, Bridget and Tom Madden, if they're watching, or anybody knows them, give them my best regards. What a lovely couple of days I had there. Oh, sorry, yes, to Ilikion, Annette King. Should we say to Annette? Do we do it? Is it George? George. To Annette. So especially to Annette, a very happy birthday from us.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Annette. From Clonakilty. Happy birthday to you.
Cheers. Happy return. Cheers. Cheers down there in Clonakilty. Annette, very happy birthday. Well, what a lovely thing. That's nice. Right, lovely. Okay. Where's the party?
I think your picture's gone.
Back to my place, is it? Back, oh, I had a place. Another one.
You'll do that later.
I'll do that one later. Why not? Was that Peter? Peter, somebody requested that later.
Go on, you will.
Yeah, go on. Go on.
You're playing for you later. We have another request in a bit.
So, Michael, if you fill it warm pipes, maybe especially for Annette. Birthday. And anybody else who's watching might have a birthday. Anybody else got a birthday here today? Mine's is in August. Does that count? No. No. Okay. But for anybody watching, very happy birthday.
Hey, go to Galway. Is that the stack of
Well, there was Connor's request, which I got it out there. Was it that boys harvest time? That go off?
that fits nicely, yeah.
That fit nicely. Number one is the Galway. Number two is the
Stack of
stack of barley. Stack of barley. I don't know why it's breakfast. Stack of barley, I don't know. I just did. Stack of barley. And the third one is Connor's one, the harvest time. Twice each or three times? Three times. Yeah, three times. Give it a little. Good wedding. So number one was Michael's Galway. Michael, will you stop David? D, Q, D, Q, G, Q, D. Michael Lewis. Michael, which one? Michael. Sorry, the other one. Number three. I mean number one.
three victims.
After one. Or after three. Many lilies. Lovely. Stuff done. Now this time, I've just had my first request, but as Chad knows, I'm going to stay. Chad may not have heard that. Yeah. So this time, I'm going to throw my voice. I'm not going to throw my voice.
You
Until I-
throw your voice.
Throw my voice. If I throw my voice, somebody will throw me out. Out the door. This time I'm going to throw my voice.
Thank you.
I'd have to be a ventriloquist to throw my voice, wouldn't I? Ventriloquist. It's a long one. So this time I think I'll ask Mick. Mick. Which one, they cried? Which one am I asking? Mick, for a song. Okay. Would you mind? Lovely. And Peter, we did one request, but we've got another one as well. It's lovely, isn't it? Peter, the people from Clonakilty.
Where's that? She's originally from Carrick-on-Suir, actually.
Oh, really? Clancy Brothers.
She used to live right beside Penny Clancy.
Oh, really? The Clancy Brothers, they were, God, one of my very earliest influences, the Clancy Brothers and Troy Baker. Great songs. Fine girl you are.
Yeah.
But nobody could sing that song, The Holy Ground. You could hear it done by the Clancy Brothers. They did. Fine girl you are. You really.
When are we gonna go there?
This is the Mick Brothers. The Mick Brothers.
When are we going? Not today anyway, with this storm.
What do you fancy?
Well, it's nice and quiet. We could have the villa.
Fill up. I was thinking of the pill.
You get the villa.
Fill up. We get Trilla. I just learned this for a party. It's a lovely song, but people don't seem to know very well now. I was walking down by Island Bridge, just doing as I pleased. That April day the sun was warm, there was but a gentle breeze. I wandered up the old steps into the Phoenix Bar to watch the children sport and play the hours falling on. I strolled up by the monument and lay down on the ground. Then people started crying when they heard a battle sound. I don't know what came over me. For a moment I could hear the echo of the soldier's voice kept calling in my ear. Meet me at the pale of sun, meet me there at noon. I need to break your Irishman
pillar.
from
So,
Dublin City Road.
Dublin City Ramblers and Patsy Watchful. Lovely song. And the orchestra as well. Don't forget the orchestra.
I'm super impressed.
It was a nice song. Lovely
Just
song.
like that.
Did you ever look at the film?
Seems to be very well known.
No.
Somebody might write in.
Maybe I heard before, but
Somebody might text us and tell us about it.
oh, that would be nice. I saw somebody watching me on the computer.
They might know who wrote that song.
It should be quite an old song.
Welcome to quiz night.
That's right. Answers on a postcard.
Big prizes for the right answer.
Oh, to the pillar, Nelson's pillar. Was that Rick Ross? I was there in 1965, but it wasn't open.
I thought you said International Lion Day.
I think we're back to tune again now. We just think, oh, what they could be kids.
It's got a heart and soul on that.
It sounds like a romantic song, but it's actually a rebel song.
Yeah, I was thinking that, yes. It's actually really, really heartwarming.
It's like you're singing about your love, but it's actually a rebel song.
So, maybe some tricks. We'll think of some tricks.
That's way too many graduates.
Well, very good. So tough. Double take. There's two of them. Play those songs, should I? See when you can.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
If we don't know the music.
Okay. Yeah.
Any ideas what it is? And the problem playing you have
The wee pickled toe, the shoulders are back and back.
we pickled tub.
And the fingers are back and back.
And it was about the fact from playing Bronte Mooney.
Yeah. Well, actually, the Moonies recorded it on their album as well recently. But, yeah. I think that's Garage. Lake Marie. I'm not sure who's in. Probably mostly Moonies anyway.
So, two drinks in the injury, and if we don't know them, we'll enjoy Michael. Thank you, George. Thank you, Michael. Drink.
feel into it, but it's not. It's
Yeah.
more subtle than
Yeah, that's right, yeah. Well, that first tune when I started playing, I must have played it over about 5 or 6 times in the pub. And people were like, can you stop now? Go to the next tune, like, that's enough, that's enough.
Enough of that.
Sometimes I like to play through the group time.
Yeah, if you really like it, then you want to keep playing it.
I've done that with a new song. At
Okay.
least twice.
3 times is
So,
the record.
it was across the board then.
We did one song 3 times, didn't we? And it feels less than quite often it's done 3 times in a night. It was a bit natural. But not after each other, one after the other. Maybe. Now this stuff, a few more tunes before we have a song. You see, so it could be real. Starts in D, David, and then we'll go into the over the water melody, which is in the key. Lovely. 3 times each, I think. Yes. disappointed that this terrible storm has come, and because we were going to have a treat there tonight, weren't we? We were going to have in the hall. We were going to have Seamus Maguire, the great fiddle player from Sligo, Neve, Varian, Barry on the viola and the fiddle, and Jerry O'Byrne, the same guitarist. But because of this storm, because Mother Nature has beaten us, and but they'll be back. Don't worry, we'll be back. I think Peter said we might have them, or William said we might get them back in. Is it May? Maybe sometime in May. So if they're watching, sorry that you're. Well, I think Neve is stranded.
I know Neve.
Do you know Neve?
Yeah, I knew her from Cork when I was down there.
She might still be at the airport waiting to come over from 12 o'clock today. And if you are Neve, if you're watching, oh dear, find a comfy cushion or something like that, because it's an awful weight, isn't it? And regards to, anyway, hope you'll get home safe and everything. And we hope we'll see you in May sometime.
May.
So you know Neve?
Yes.
On the way over.
That's right. They're
If they're watching, keep safe and everybody keep safe. So, Michael, yeah, Neve trained us, and that's a treat that we've and obviously, now this time, another request has come flooding in, and this time, I'm shouting now, am I shouting? Philip, I might ask Philip for a song. Philip was in for a verse.
As the sun was setting on the bright May meadow of Shelmally, a rebel hand set the heads a-blazing, called the neighbors from far and near. Then Father Murphy from old Kilcormac spurred up the rocks with a warning cry. I'm out, he cried, 'cause I've come to lead you for Ireland's freedom. We'll fight or die. Well, he led us on against the coming soldiers, the cowardly yeoman we put to flight. It was after Harrow, the boys of Wexford showed Cookie's regiment how men could fight. Look out for Harling's King George of England, search every county where breeds a slave. For Father Murphy from County Wexford sweeps over the land like a mighty wave. All the pleasant lady, how our heroes vainly stood back to back, and the old snatched below to Father Murphy and burned his body upon the rack. God grant you glory, brave Father for the green again. Because that cauldron may come tomorrow, and another fight for the green again.
I was fortunate to go to the All Ireland Flarkiel in Enniscorthy. And before I left, I asked my friend if he'd love me to take a trip up to St Vinegar Hill. And what a view from the top of Vinegar Hill, that really is something that mentioned in the song.
Kelly, the boy from Killarney, was in the
So if you ever go to Enniscorthy, don't leave before you drive up carefully up to the top and then walk up onto the rock and look at that view. It's a great thing. So there you go. So, Hugh,
Can I suggest one?
please, Alex. Yeah.
Some jigs maybe,
doing the course.
well, out on the ocean, cliffs of Moher and Larry.
Lovely. Out on the ocean, which we would not like to be doing tonight on the Atlantic Ocean. And we wouldn't want to be in the water off the cliffs of Moher either. Except we'd admire the scenery, but we wouldn't want to be in the rough weather. Sorry, the water rough weather there. So as we say, number one, what's number one again?
Out on the ocean.
Out on the ocean where we don't want to be for at least 24 hours. Out in the ocean,
Cliffs of Moher.
the cliffs of Moher, and the Blarney Lakes over it. Fancy the videos or
G, A, minor, and the last one is G, but it starts with D.
So G, A minor, the third one starts in G, that goes back on
Wexford, right?
three times each.
Things you learn in song. So many history lessons.
So, out on the ocean. We have a request.
Do that after.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I see. Okay. Out on the ocean. Lovely. Make sure all the, what are those things called again, those things that float on the water. Well, no, not mine, but those things when you go sailing on the water with them.
Boats.
Boats. Yeah, that's, no, those things you skateboards with.
Surfboards.
Surfboards. We're doing great. We're doing that tonight. Bring them all in.
It'll be a special event tonight.
Well, it might be, but I. So out the ocean. There's a really
Thank you. have an egg.
Oh, that's right.
Sure. What is
For
it?
Mick, is it? No, I don't
No, I
know.
don't think the fresh one.
No, I don't know. Is this for Mick?
That's for Mick, and that's for your man, what you told me.
Mick Davis.
Mick, are you sure?
No, no, sure, I'll get it back. I'll have a cup of tea later.
Well, then, cake.
Hey?
You want a cake?
I'll have a cake.
I'll get you some.
No, because of the storm that's, what's her name? Phyllis. Is it? No, it's not
Eunice.
Phyllis. Eunice. Close. Phyllis, Eunice,
Don't anger her.
Eunice. Eunice.
Don't anger. Say the right name. Like as if she's angry enough. to say
Thanks,
it.
Barry. What's this?
Does he want the cake?
Would you like some cake?
Oh, yes.
Would you like
That's for you.
Oh, that'd be lovely.
Slice
It's
of
a
cock
piece
a
of
minute.
cake coming in tonight. Really. Thank you so much.
Hold on, I'll get you another one. You eat it.
Oh, a spoon would be lovely.
Okay,
I
now.
won't play the spoon, but I wouldn't mind. Thank you so
Do you want to sing a song there? Go for it. Mick, Dave Kelly singing a song. Are you going to do that now?
So this time, oh yeah, I was just thinking, with the storm, I better sit down because I'm not as tall when I sit down. I'm not tall when I stand up. But, it's been, I went to the butcher's earlier this morning and I said to the butcher, I'd like, are those eggs fresh there in the window? He said, fresh? Those eggs, the hen hasn't even missed them yet, they're that fresh, you know. And I said, and it's really windy, butcher, isn't it? So that he said, talk about windy, he said. I saw, this morning, he said, very early this morning, I was on the farm, I saw a hen lay the same egg twice. That's how windy it was, you know. Very, very windy. Anyway, thank you and good night. Anyway, that, go to work on an egg. Does anybody remember that advert? Go to work on an egg. That was in the 60s. People said, no, I'd rather go to work on a bus than go to work on an egg. Really, to be honest. Anyway.
He goes for his own unit.
Thank you. Get up and educate. Get it. So this time I'd like to call my good friend David 4 candles. I'll do the joke later. So 4 candles. Okay. So I'd love to, we'd love to, the 2 Roberts. So this time we'd love to ask David.
Thank you, Margaret. You know. Great.
so sheltered. Jokes are flying here. Well, not funny, but that's so after my joke about the eggs, Tad said, look, I'm going to try and egg you on later. I said, don't be so sheltered. Don't be so oh yes.
Prison wall, heard a young girl calling. Michael, they have taken you away. For you stole Trevelyan's corn, so the young might see more. Now a prison ship lies waiting in the bay. Low lie the field of Athenry. Once we watched small free birds fly. My love was on the wing. We had dreams and songs to sing. Lonely are the fields of Athenry. Prison wall, heard a young man calling. Nothing matters, Mary, when you're free. Famine and the crown, I rebelled, they cut me down. You mistrays our child's dignity. Low lie the fields of Athenry. Once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing. We had dreams and songs to sing. Lonely around the fields of Athenry. Harbor wall, she watched the last star falling. Instead, sailed out against the sky. And she loved to hope and pray for her love in Botany Bay. Lonely round the fields of Athenry. Low lie the field of Athenry. Once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing. We had dreams and songs to sing. Lonely round the fields of Athenry. Join in, folks. Low lie the fields of Athenry. Once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing. We had dreams and songs to sing. Lonely around the fields of Athenry.
This is Kevin. Attention. This is a special request coming up for you, but we've only got part of this song.
Just requesting a more choice.
Well, apart from that request, so this is for Kevin Nolan, and it's
Rock-a-bye, baby, in the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the wind breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come Kevin, the cradle and all. Congratulations!
I thought it was going to be the Al Jolson one.
Friends like you, who needs it?
I thought it was the Al Jolson one. With my what's that? How does that one go? Rock-a-bye baby with a Dixie melody. But anyway,
Rock-a-bye, my baby, you know when it gets you.
Al Jolson. Was it the Lilting Banshee? The Lilting Banshee in A minor and
Banished
Banished
Misfortune.
Misfortune. Lovely stuff.
We got a request here for Nolene Coughlin from Knoxhofer in County Kilkenny. She's feeling a bit down because apparently Tipperary knocks over Kilkenny last week by a point. Cheer up, cheer up. You can come back next year. That's from Nolene Coughlin in Knoxhofer, County Kilkenny. God bless you.
This time, oh yes, this time, Chad. Chad. So song, that would be lovely. Chad, do you want to sit here? Well,
Can you see me?
I think if you sit there, they'll sit.
We'll get him on that chair.
That's it.
This one.
The guest chair.
It's the guest chair.
I just got the number to my face anyway.
Because I don't think people are getting Manchester.
I'm not thinking from me.
You're probably a friend of that.
Yeah, the artist could. Right, what are we doing now?
My young love said to me, my mother and my father was like you, for your lack of kind. And she stepped away from me, and this she did say, it'll not be long, love, till our wedding day. As she stepped away from me, she moved through the day, and fondly I watched her move here and move there, and then she turned away homeward with one star away, like the swan in the evening moves over the lake. The people were saying no to everywhere, but one had no sorrow that was never said. And I smiled as she passed me with her goats and gear, and that was the last I saw of my day. Last night she came to me, my dead love came in, so softly she came that her feet made no din, as she laid her hand on me, and as she did say, it'll not be long, love, till our wedding day.
Lovely stuff, Chad.
Just thinking of a reel there that was composed, I think, by the late great Tommy Beacons from Donegal, and sort of triple action maybe. I've forgotten the name. It does have a name, but I can't recall the name. We call it Tommy Beacons for now.
Yeah, and then the last two pages.
You can stick on the end of our, we've got 3 years.
That's a good idea.
No, I can't think of any of that either.
Is that your favorite tune? Yeah, I can tell. I can tell it's you. That's great.
Play that one first, and then go into our...
Well,
Our first one is... Do your one first, we'll go to round 3, yeah? So the first one's going to be E minor, no name for that. John Regan, left side up. No, not so we'll call it John Regan. Yeah. E minor, and then we've got a real G. So E minor, G.
so anything makes sense to put together.
This is complete this following stages.
But that's another whole thesis conversation.
So I can't read. Performance in E minor first.
Thank
tunes
Yeah,
early on.
less the slower. What were they called? Christians.
The first one was Conway Fruit. We've no name for that first one from Conway, unfortunately. The second one, Tommy Peoples composed, but we've no name, we can't remember the name.
That's great.
Paddy Fahey's.
Any name for the sound? Oh no,
They put me on the spot.
I got that from Tommy Peoples as well, but I didn't.
That one's called Put Me on the Spot.
And the third one is called,
Or in other words,
the
Paddy
last one, the
Fahey's
fourth one.
74.
What the last one like? Was the name for that?
Chapter.
Chapter in Man.
Right.
Richard, thanks.
Sorry, should have the jokes.
The joke.
Tunes are alright.
Lovely, so the few tunes there. Now, let's just have a think. The song. So, give us a song called The Ferryman. I hope you enjoy it.
Little boat set up with the French banana free. Ferryman attracted on the quay. Lift up, pick up the tide, and we of the life is gone. And Molly was probably went free. When a strawberry bed came down to the levee, kissed away the worries of my crown. Unlucky was the day, unlucky more tomorrow. Yet the lovely Molly was leaving. The only job I knew, it was hard and never lonely. Lucky fairy made a man with me. Jumped on without a whisper, got to see me now. So the Molly, oh my when a strawberry bed came down to the levee, kissed away the worries of my brow. Unlucky was the day, unlucky for tomorrow. Yet the lovely Molly loved me. But now I'm telling, and I spent my days a talking, and I heard of Mr. Charlie's house to know. But Molly was still living, and darling was still young, and the river never put me on the sun. When the strawberry bed came down to the levee, kissed away the worries from my brow. Unlucky was the day, unlucky more tomorrow. We have a lovely Molly lovely. When the strawberry bed came down to the levee, kissed away the worries from my brow. Unlucky was the day, unlucky more tomorrow. We have a lovely Molly lovely. We have a lovely Molly lovely now.
The Ferryman, written by Pete St. John from Dublin.
Michael.
Hey Joe. Joe is in.
Hi.
Joe, would you have blast the tune in your straight line?
Yeah.
Would you like to sit in front of the camera and sing?
No.
No, okay.
I've been away.
No, you're not. You can like.
I don't want any cameras, not this time of day.
Anyone wants to put center stage?
Not many musicians tonight. Mick, there's not many musicians here. You haven't got many musicians.
The weather.
Oh,
The weather had something to do with it.
I suppose. You sure?
I hope it did. Otherwise, yes. Lucky, well done for everybody. Yes, because it's so windy.
Cheers, yeah.
David, can I tell the story about the little boy that went to school, and when he got into school in the morning, the teacher said, "Johnny, you're very, very late this morning." He said, "I know I am, sir. I really am sorry, but it was terribly windy." Yes, he said it was very windy. He said, "What's that going to do?" "Well, sir," he said, "it was so windy that when I went outside of my front door this morning on my way to school, for every one step forward, I had to take 2 steps backwards." He said, "Well, if it was that windy, why didn't you turn around and go home?" He said, "I did. How do you think I got here?" Anyway, you have to work that out. Anyway, it was windy. Anyway, moving swiftly on. That's one of those bad jokes. Anyway, tune-wise. Oh, what? So from Kieran and Connor, they'll lead us in Spotted Dog, Spotted Dog, and the Wonder Years.
And that's
Thank
Yeah, it's a tale. You've got a tale to tell that. So anyway, that was, his jokes are going completely, what's the word? Darking mad. Darking mad, yeah. So that was the spotted dog and the wandering minstrel. Beautiful stuff. Now let's just have a think. Let's have a think, which is difficult to do. Oh, Joe. Joe is going to get away with murder.
I was going to say,
Joe, we're always going to see song. Joe, do you want to sit here or are you happy there? You happy there? Any particular song, Joe? One of my friends drove me up the Antrim coast, Cushendall, up to Ballycastle, lovely places. Thank you, Joe, for the song there, well done. Now, let me just see, Philip might have the song up, I might have
Banbridge town in the county down, we're morning in July. Down the Boring Creek and the sweet colleen, and she smiled as she passed me by. Well, she looked so sweet from her two white feet, the sheen of her dark brown hair. Such a coaxing us by the trip itself, to the church I'm standing there. From Bantry Bay to Derry Quay, and from Galway to Dublin town. Long made of sing like the fair colleen, and I seen in the county down. And long sped brother took me head, and I gave with a feeling rare. And I said, says I, to a passer-by, who's the maid with the dark brown hair. He smiled at me and was bright and steep, and Shem all of Ireland's crown. And she rose in the can from the banks of the Banshee, the star
So, Kieran will leave us in a tune which is in the cafe, and it's the Cockmo Joe, which is We started there with appearance one, I should say, Combat Joe. There was the little beggar man, the little beggar man. Then there was the St. Anne's River. Then Christmas Eve and the Silver Spire. That was a marathon, wasn't it? But anyway,
Well, I certainly enjoyed it. So my hand didn't.
oh, sorry.
I think I must have stopped myself.
I went to the doctor and I said, Doctor, it hurts me when I do that. He said, well, don't do it. He's a very good doctor. Love it.
Doctor who?
Doctor who? No,
Which doctor?
Which doctor?
50 guineas.
That's right. He was a lovely man. He was charged. He was treated me for a double hernia. Only charged me for one. Lovely man. Lovely guy. Anyway, I said to him, Doctor, can you help me out? He said, which way did you come in? Anyway, now there's somebody else. Where's David?
No. I'm just saying your camera thingy stopped.
Stop working. Oh, is it back on? Oh, well done. Thank you. So this time, you're one first. So the first one is in sharp minor, second one is in A. One is G.
Welcome to it. A hungry feeling came o'er me stealing as the mice were squealing in my prison cell, and the owl triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. In the morning, the screw was bowling. Get up, you bowsies, and clean out your cell. And the owl triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. The lags were sleeping, Humpy Gussie was creeping, as I lay there weeping for my girl Sal. And the owl triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. In the women's prison there are 75 women, and 'tis among them that I wish I did dwell. And the owl triangle go jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal, all along the banks of the Royal
I was going to say, if I can just say, because I can see by my watch that we've only got another 2 hours. Sorry, no, more like 10 minutes to go. But can I just first of all say, really truthfully, thank you so much for coming on, each and every one of you, because tonight was not easy to get here. You know, and so thank you very much. I hope that was safe. Thank you all for coming on. Thank you for the lovely people watching it live at Clonakilty and different places. Thank you all for coming in. We hope you get a safe journey home. Don't worry, we're doing another 5 hours when this finishes. We've got another 5 hours. No, only joking. But thank you everybody for coming along. And if anybody does say to you later on, look, what was the music like tonight down at the ICC? You can say, yeah, they were great. They went down a storm. Sorry. Anyway. That was all. Yeah, I know. You've got the wind up. You've got the wind up. Yeah, exactly. Anyway.
I don't know whether they're like that.
I don't know whether they'll like that. Tonight was sponsored by Michael Fish. No. Sorry. And Suzanne Charles. No. And other weather people. Thank you everybody. We'll finish off with a selection of tunes. Thank you to our lovely select band. Connor, Ryan, Kieran, Chad, Tad, Alex, Joe, Mick, yours truly, Mia Hall, Michael, Philip, I'm exhausted, David, who's missing? Anybody missing? Anybody I forgot? I mentioned
Maybe
Joe.
the guilty didn't want to be here.
Kevin, a big happy Kevin. Thank you everybody, and hopefully we should. Thank you everybody. Hopefully see you next Friday. We'll finish off with this. Thanks everybody. Safe journey home and take care of yourselves. And, thank you all for listening online. We'll do a set of tunes. What's the first one, Michael? The Tempest. The Tempest. That was a good choice, wasn't it? The Tempest. Followed by Sally Gardens, Star of Monster, and the last one, The Bucks of Rock and Roll. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks everybody. And see you next Friday. A few more friends. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. First one on the agenda.
Sally Gard,
Sally Gard, the Star of Monster, and then the Bucks of Rock. So we start with Sally Gard, Star of Monster, first A minor, D minor, last one, D. Sally Gard. Round the house and mind the dresser. prove that one man is knocked down every 6 minutes. And that man is completely sick and tired of that happening to him. It really is. He really is. That same man. Anyway, but be careful going home. Be careful going home.
The man on the street.
On the street, exactly. A man on the street.
Thank you, Mick.
Thank you, everybody.
Michael.
See you next Friday.
Mick Bailey.
See you Friday. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Ruby. Thank you. Strong performance. Thanks, everybody. Exhausted.